In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a members-only page in Wix. Whether you're setting up exclusive content for your customers or creating a special area for your team, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. To get started, you'll first need to go to your Wix website. If you've already logged into your Wix account, make sure you're on the editor dashboard for the site where you want to add the members-only page. If you're not there yet, navigate to the Wix editor by selecting your desired site from the dashboard. This is the main area where you can tweak your website's design and manage its content. Next, we'll add the necessary app. Look for an option labeled Add Apps within the editor's toolbox. This option allows you to enhance the functionality of your website by adding new features that are not present by default. Think of it like adding tools to your digital toolbox, helping you to better cater to your audience's needs. In the search bar that appears on the app page, type in Member Area. This tool is crucial as it enables the members-only functionality, letting you restrict access and manage users. Searching makes it easier to pinpoint the exact app we need without having to scroll through the entire list of available apps. After searching, you should notice an option called Wix Member Area. This is the app we're looking for. Clicking on it will bring up a detailed description. The Wix Member Area is a handy tool that lets your members manage their accounts and access specific content meant only for them. This is perfect for clubs, subscription services, or any group needing exclusive access. Now, you'll find a button labeled Add to Site. Clicking this will initiate the process of integrating the member area with your website. Adding this app transforms your site, turning it into an interactive space for registered users. Remember, it's a straightforward process, but it might take a few moments for the system to complete the installation. Once the app is ready to go, it will prompt you to add and agree. This is where you'll confirm that you're okay with the terms and conditions related to the app. Make sure you're comfortable with these terms, then go ahead and click to continue. Congratulations, you've just added a member area to your Wix website, opening up new opportunities to engage your audience. Remember, you can always further customize the member area to suit your needs, perhaps by configuring the design to match the rest of your site or establishing content that will be exclusive to your members. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you next time.